Today I'm heading to a hot spring nearby, very close to my campsite. I always see this hot spring, whenever I go to the town because it's literally at the river. So what I've done is I woke up very early today. The hot spring is about 5 kilometers or 10 to 15 minutes away from my campsite. So it's not very far. Oh gosh, I'm not early enough. There's already people. But there's one here, it's free, and I'm hoping it's hot enough. And I don't want to be filming around with people around me, so I've got to be a little bit discreet if I can. The sun has just come out on the other side of the river, so it looks so pretty. And also I noticed that there's only a few people. And the great thing about this place actually, which I haven't mentioned yet, is it's a public utility. So you can go in anytime you want. It's open 24 hours, so it's great, whatever suits you, you can go, even like like stupid time in the morning. It's amazing. So before I came on this stop here, I was down there. Apparently it's the very first one in this location. Funny enough though, this one is hotter compared to the one down there. But there it's very nice because I was surrounded by the locals. Kind of nice. It's a very communal, This one's definitely warmer. And apparently, according to the old lady that I was talking to in the bigger pool, there's a massive pool at the top of the road. And they're building a new facility, and I actually saw it. It's nearly done. The building looks beautiful, and what she said is they're creating sauna, jacuzzi, spa and everything around it. So yeah, it could be very nice to check out in the future, This is so cool, like a private infinity pool. I'm gonna show you. As you can see, there's a lot of algae, and I'm just gonna like crawl. I'm just like moving my bum like this. I don't know what sort of movement it is, more like a centipede move, just to get closer to the end of this pool. I've just finished my warm session in a hot spring. I felt like I want to keep coming back here until I leave Banja Luka. It's very refreshing, very nice. Now what I'm gonna do is go to the other spot, not too far from here, where they serve coffee. And also it's right in front of the river as well. So I'll see. If it gets too hot, then I might have a dip. Oh no, the coffee shop is still closed. Oh man. But this is a very nice area. During the day, it's full of people. No wonder why people comes here. They just sit here and then drink coffee, as you can see, fabrika coffee, and then they just swim on that. There's a little beach, like stony beach. Very nice. I'm always fascinated by this river every time I come here. It's so beautiful. No wonder why my tent's moving.
That's all I have. Yeah, you want to be safe on the video.
Okay.
Yeah, nice one. Enjoy.
Thank you. Yeah. Take Wolfgang. Right, ready to lower. Stop. Lower. Two seconds. Yep, lower. I kind of saw the backlit, but I wasn't worried too much. So good, the view is so good. This is what climbing really gives me a lot of satisfaction. Of nature, I like nature. Yeah. And then seeing it from a different vantage point where
yeah, you're right.
Where you won't normally see it from.
Yeah, different views. Absolutely. So man, if you want to climb more, feel free. I'm actually finished.
Me too. I'm really? Also kind of like want to get some beers.
Yep, let's do that. Good. I'll do the rope, you take your shoes.
Oh, thanks.